Hello everyone! Today we're going to discuss the importance of healthy eating for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Eating a balanced and nutritious diet is crucial for keeping your body functioning properly and feeling your best. First, let's talk about the essential macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates, also known as carbs, are the body's primary source of energy. However, it's important to consume carbs in moderation, as excessive intake can lead to weight gain and other health issues. On the other hand, proteins are vital for building and repairing tissues. And healthy fats provide energy and help regulate blood sugar levels. Next, let's discuss the benefits of consuming a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. These nutrient-dense foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which can help improve digestion, boost immunity, and maintain a healthy weight. Try to incorporate at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. Another key aspect of healthy eating is portion control. It's essential to be mindful of your serving sizes to avoid overeating and promote weight management. Use smaller plates, pay attention to hunger cues, and avoid eating mindlessly while watching TV or engaging in other distractions. Finally, don't forget the importance of staying hydrated. Drinking water helps regulate digestion, supports bodily functions, and helps you feel full. Aim for at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water per day, and consider replacing sugary beverages with water or other healthier options. In conclusion, healthy eating is a vital component of achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. By focusing on macronutrient balance, variety, moderation, and proper hydration, you can create a sustainable and enjoyable eating habits that will benefit your overall health and well-being.